Hello class, I am so excited to inform you about this special occasion that will be coming forth in January of 2019. Do you know anyone that is suffering from hair loss, whether it is from medication, sickness, or disease? I am pleased to inform you that there is hope. There is a new upcoming company which consists of a few young ladies who decided to come together and make these women hair units, which is better known to us as wigs. Well, the prices for these units, they are absolutely free. The special occasion is very special because these units will be free for these women. This company, which is called I Am She, will be launching their first wig and hats in January of 2019. I would like for you all to inform all your loved ones or whoever you may know suffering from hair loss due to medication, illness, or disease that I Am She will be taking orders as early as December the 1st, 2018. Please feel free to email me at SheilaLatrice4@gmail.com if you or someone you know who suffer from hair loss due to medication, illness, or disease and will be interested in a unit better known to us as wigs. I Am She is ready to serve you. The she in I Am She means strong, healed, and excellent. Remember, email me at SheilaLatrice4@gmail.com to put in your order. That's SheilaLatrice4@gmail.com. SheilaLatrice4@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much.